To kick things off, we're going to start out by shaping the outside of the beard. Keep this area as wide as possible. And the same goes for this top line. Right now, I'm not worrying about getting it as sharp as I can. I'm going to come back with the razor, so I'm just creating an outline right now. By the way, if you're new to this channel and you're getting value out of this video, please subscribe. We're trying to get this channel to 200,000 subscribers as soon as possible, so thank you in advance. Now right here for the C-cups or the arches, whatever you want to call them, I like to start at the tip and then connect it from the bottom. That makes it easier to form that arc. And we're going to repeat the same thing on this side. One of his arches naturally grows longer on the other side, so I'm going to have to match the longer side with the shorter side. That way it doesn't look lopsided. Not everyone's hair will grow perfectly symmetrical, so you have to make adjustments whenever you're doing lineups. It just depends on the person. It's a case-by-case thing. I'm working down to the beard area, and once again, I'm going to try to keep this area as high as possible, and I'm not focused on getting it super sharp because I'm following up with the razor. Just create a rough draft. After I line up the sides, I like to connect everything in the middle. For me, it's easier that way, but if it's easier for you to do the front and then the sides, do whatever works for you. The videos that I make on this channel simply serve as an example, so take whatever tips and bits that you need from them, however, incorporate it in your own way. You don't have to copy the exact way that I do something, but this is just one way that you can do it. When you're lining someone up, always make sure that you use your mirror, and this will help you double check your work. Now here I'm following back up with the razor, and as you see, I didn't use any type of shave gel. You just have to know your client's skin. I can line his beard up without the gel, without irritation. If a client has tougher skin, then that's usually a telltale sign that you can use the razor without shave gel. I found that the best way to get longer lasting results with the razor is to make multiple passes. So once you make a pass, comb away the residue and go over it 1 or 2 more times. And whatever you do to one side, always do the same thing to the other side. And see how I'm using the thumb to pull in the opposite direction that I'm going with the razor. This prevents any drag or prevents the razor from catching the skin. Don't rush this part of the haircut. Take your time and refine as much as you need to. Well, that's pretty much going to wrap this video up. If you got value, remember to subscribe if you're new to this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all on the next video.